Yes, here I am. Just,
Hello, my
just
favorite elf there. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Little bit lost here. Just trying to find the workshop. Yeah, I'm trying to find you wherever you are.
Yeah, I can show you a way. I have very good digital equipment to show you now.
Oh
You
yes,
should,
yes.
you should find my slough right there. I
Ah,
don't know where it is, so perhaps
so
you can
Rudolf,
find it. And also
so
the
you
reindeer, and
mean Rudolf,
it should have the red nose. This is the
yes, yes.
Rudolf the red nose reindeer. So using this Rudolf red nose there, I can
Yes,
show you a way.
I
I
can see
don't
it very clearly.
this. There is quite a busy time at the moment in my workshop. I can take the picture also from here, and I can draw even something to you, so I can collaborate to you. It is a little
Ah,
bit dark there, and I can zoom even to that place so I can see better that what is there.
hey, I found it.
Oh, Santa Claus
Great.
reindeers.